Hi there! Welcome to Trujay's data migration how-to tutorial, migrating from Insightly to HubSpot CRM. Head over to Trujay's self-service migration page, then click Start Migration. Select your current CRM. You'll then input your API key. If you're not sure where to find it, hit our FAQ icon. You'll then continue with selecting your target CRM, which in this case is HubSpot. Click Connect. You'll then have the option to choose from Advanced or Standard Mapping. If you have questions about our standard mapping, hit the FAQ icon. For this video, let's do Customize Mapping. In this step, you'll select the objects you'd like to map, then click Next. After matching users, you'll then map fields. You can then browse through the map fields and deselect the ones you do not want mapped. At the bottom of the screen, you'll find that you can also select records for sample migration. If everything looks good to go, start free sample migration. Click Confirm when you're ready. Users will have the option to upgrade their SaaS license. You can also learn more about our guided migration. Start full migration. And now your migration is complete. For more information, visit Trujay.com.